All right, this is a wonderful little device created by the BBC in England called the Microbit. I think they just sponsored it. Anyways, it's a small little $25 computer. This is a screen with 25 pixels on it, 5 by 5. We've got a couple little buttons. There are little input things here. This is the back of it. Anyhow, what you can do is you can program this with little code blocks that you snap together to give it commands to do certain things. It's super easy to code it. You can even integrate this little guy into all sorts of crafty projects. Today we're going to try something pretty easy. There's a really cool web-based tool that Microsoft has sponsored called MakeCode. MakeCode.microbit.org. This MakeCode language can be used on multiple devices. This particular site is for the microbit, so makecode.microbit.org. Now, here's a virtual view of a microbit device. We actually have real microbits that we're going to be putting this code onto, but this right here is a little simulator that lets you see what the code would look like. So what are we even talking about? All right, let's go into projects. And there are several different options here to choose from. I'm recommending flashing heart or rock, paper, scissors is also fun. Smiley button is also pretty easy. Coin flipper and so on. But let's try the flashing heart. It walks you right through a little tutorial on how to do this. So it's saying place the show LEDs block on the start block and draw a heart. Okay. So all our blocks are right here in basic, so I click it. These are the blocks I can use. Now, do you remember which one it said to use? Aha, place the show LEDs block on the on start block. So I'm pulling this off here now. Forever or on start? On start. See this little notch right here? That fits into that little groove right there. Snapping it right there. Why don't I just move this down here so we can see it? Now I've got to draw a heart. Every time I click, here's my heart. See, there's what it would look like lit up. All right, so I can even fill it in if I feel like it. All right, that's what it would look like. I can go next. Click the download to transfer your code into your microbit. So it'll show you what it looks like right on the microbit. All right, now it says place another show LED block under the heart to make it blink. All right, we remember this guy and we'll place it underneath that one. Move the blocks inside the forever to repeat the animation. All right, let's move this right inside. Instead of on start, we'll just put it as forever. And there it is, it's flashing. Now all we need to do is hit the download button. It downloads that. Then we need to go to it's in our downloads folder. All right, so it's in our downloads somewhere, this little flashing heart. It's a hex file. Now we plug in the actual microbit into our USB drive and it will show up almost like another USB drive in our Mac or PC or Chromebook. And we simply find this hex file and we drag it on top of where we see our microbit, and then on our real microbit, it will look just like this in real life. And that is all there is to it. You've just finished coding a microbit computer.